Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day. My name is Abdul Razak Ibn Zubaidi. So today I will present our project for subject numerical method. So we continue our presentation with background study. In general, numerical method is able to solve problem in civil engineering work. This study use highway and traffic as main theme to identify and solve tabulate data given. The data have been recorded to place on Jalan Batu Pahat to Air Hitam, which is the main road that connects between Batu Pahat town and Air Hitam town. The observations start at main gate UTHM, which 1 km toward the town of Air Hitam, and the flow of rate, which is the number of vehicles passing from one point to another point for 1 km into hour, is around 3,400 to 4,400. In addition, this problem focuses on system of linear equation of numerical chapter. Gauss elimination method is used to solve this problem. This method decreases the amount of necessary work to determine the answer through doing away with the need that the variable be written explicitly after each step.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abu Fizuddin bin Abu Daud. I will present about the problem statement. Road congestion is the major problem on Jalan Batu Pahat to Air Hitam, especially during peak hour. This is because Jalan Batu Pahat to Air Hitam is the main road that connect between Batu Pahat and Air Hitam town. The purpose of this study is to obtain the density value for the road. If the road record a high density value, then a proposal to reduce congestion is proposed. The study is using the Gauss elimination method to find the density, the value of K. So as you can see, this is the value that we use, the data that we use to in this study.
So I continue our presentation with the table. For the fact, first, velocity of car is produced by car speed and the data was given in the table. Second, flow of rate is produced by the number of vehicles passing a point during a given time interval. Second, then idea. First, velocity and flow of rate can be used to determine density of road on highway. Second, density of road K can find using a linear equation method. For the learning issue, first, how to find the density using highway and traffic formula. Second, how to get value of K using a linear equation method. After that, for the action, first, using a data given to make an equation. Second, use a Gauss elimination method to determine the density of road. Objective for this project is to analyze the method that can solve the problem statement. Second, to apply the numerical method to solve the problem related to engineering field. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Faizul Izani bin Muhammad Farid. Number metric DF200006, and today I'm going to explain about literature review. We can also use this method to estimate either of the following. First, the rank of the given metric. Second, the determinant of a square metric. And the last one is the inverse of inevitable metric. To perform row reduction on a metric, we have to complete a sequence of elementary row operation to transform the metric till we get 0. On the lower left hand corner on the metric as much as possible. That means the obtained metric should be an upper triangular metric. There are 3 types of elementary row operation. First, swapping to row, and this can be expressed using the notation. Second one, multiplying a row by a non-zero number. And the last one is adding a multiple of a row to another row. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, hi, with me again. I want to continue about the methodology. For the first phase, we do the research design, and then for the second phase is research approach. For the third phase is for the data collection method. For the data analysis method, we using the formula K equal to Q divided by V, where Q equal to rate of flow and V equal to speed. Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Abdul Hadi Kamil, number metric DF200128, and now I will proceed the presentation about the calculation of our project. So based on the data that we have collected, we rewrite the system in the matrix form and solve it by Gaussian elimination method in order to find the density of the road for 5 periods of time, which is in the morning, afternoon, evening, night, and late night. After we have rewrite the system in matrix form, we divide the first row by 73. Why? Because we want to make 73 equal to 1, because 73 divided by 73 is equal to 1. And we divide all the row by 73, which is 84 over 73, 82 over 73, 70 over 73, 92 over 73, and 4198 divided by 73. For the next step, we make the R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 in column 1 equal to 0. How? For R2, we multiply the first row by 70 and then subtract it from the second row. For R3, we multiply the first row by 86 and then subtract it from the third row. For the R4, we multiply the first row by 65 and then subtract it from the fourth row. And for the R5, we multiply the first row by 62 and then subtract it from the fifth row. And then for the last step, we repeat step 2 and step 3 for each column 2, 3, 4, and 5 until the matrix becomes like the order below. That is all from me. Thank you very much.
Hello and very good day. My name is Muhammad Daniel Izzuan bin Ahmad Fairuz. My matrix number is DF200087. Now I will continue to present the discussion. The average density for morning, noon, evening, night and midnight is 10.7 vehicle per hour, 13.29 vehicle per hour, 15.43 vehicles per hour, 8.79 vehicles per hour, and 4.56 vehicles per hour. The highest average density is on evening. It can be concluded that there is a lot of car driving on Batu Pahat Air Hitam Road in 1 hour during evening. Lastly, for the conclusion, various problems in civil engineering or other industry can be solved using numerical method. In addition, this method not only can be used for traffic related problem only. Various action can be planned and implemented to avoid traffic congestion on the road. It indirectly proves that the use of numerical method successfully solve the problem. That's all from me. Thank you.